Do you know what swatting is? Swatting is when someone falsely calls the police and tells them that there's a dangerous person at a particular address. They might claim that there was a shooting or that there's a person with a gun or a kidnapper. The police then react by sending in the SWAT team with guns up and ready. One such incident occurred when teenagers were trying to convince or threaten a 60-year-old man to give up his Twitter handle so that they could sell it for a profit. They had previously harassed the man by sending cash order pizzas to his house, among other things. But when they took to calling the police, claiming that there was an armed and dangerous man at his house, the police came with guns and surrounded the 60-year-old man's home. He got so scared that he had a fatal heart attack. One teenager, Shane Sondermann, was charged with wire fraud, interstate communication of threats, false information, and hoaxes and conspiracy. He pled guilty to conspiracy and will now serve 5 years in jail. This case highlights that swatting is a serious crime and could be both a federal and a state crime. Frankly, he was lucky that he wasn't charged with some form of manslaughter. Most murder charges require an intent to kill, as premeditated as a plan or some type of other intent. Manslaughter is charged when somebody does not plan the crime or did not intend for the victim to die because of his or her actions. In fact, in other cases, such as in Wichita, Kansas in 2018, an accused swatter was charged with manslaughter when a woman was killed by police after a falsified call to the police. The reality is that states and local authorities need to establish procedures on how to avoid swatting, and legislatures need to enact laws to protect against these deadly crimes.